This video shows you how to create a serial letter and send it via email as PDF attachments with Eddy Text Editor. Create a new project. Select the option Create Empty. Open an Excel file with customer data. A sample file contains customer data and payment reminder data. Switch to the text view. Data columns are recognized automatically as document fields. Define text template. Enter the company data. Enter the customer data. Since there is no salutation defined, we define one. Switch back to the data view. Append a new column. Define the value as a conditional formula. Copy the formula to all cells in the new column. Switch again to the text view. The new column was detected automatically. Drag and drop the field Salutation onto the document. Insert further customer fields into the document. Don't forget about the customer ID. Insert the date. Insert a company logo. Define a title. Call the customer personally. You can use the same fields multiple times. Finish document formatting. Preview the data. Format amount as a currency. Select the whole column. Click the menu item Format Cells. The amount formatting was automatically applied to the document. Mail merge into multiple files. Select the destination order. Define the file naming pattern. You can use variables for creating individual names. PDF is the default document type. In Eddy Text Editor Pro, you can additionally encrypt PDF files with a password. Send the generated documents as emails. First, save the text document and the Eddy project. Define sender in the creator of the email campaign. Define settings of the email server. The default port number 25 is right in most cases, but to be sure, please refer to the documentation of your email provider. Enter the user data. Define a unique name for the server, especially if you'd like to send emails using multiple servers. Define the recipient. You can address multiple recipients. For example, you can send an email copy to yourself for archiving. Provide a personalized email subject. You can send documents as attachments or directly as message text. In case you choose sending them as attachments, you need to define the message text manually. Check how your serial letter looks from the view of your customer by sending a test email to yourself. If the result is satisfactory, proceed with the sending. Eddy Text Editor Pro supports multiple sender identities. It's very useful in case you own many email addresses. Another useful feature of Eddy Text Editor Pro is its ability to send emails using multiple email servers. This way, you can send emails in small chunks per single server to elude its spam limitations. Do you like creating serial letters with Eddy Text Editor? Then download it from www.eddy-texteditor.com. You may create and send PDF files as email attachments completely for free, disregarding if you send them for personal or commercial purposes.